Thank you, Lakeisha, for my birthday card. Thank you, Melissa, for my birthday balloons. And thank you, Michelle, for my blue circular fan. I used it right away, BFF. I think this is a gift from my BFF. So, thank you, BFF. I got a box on my birthday. I need to use the knife. Cut like butter. Okay, I got this from my BFF, Michelle. I also got a fan from her. That's in the video. Got that early. And this came on the day of my birthday. It's a basket. Oh my goodness. This is just so adorable. It's a body bath basket. And oh wow, this is so pretty. Thank you, Melissa Honeybee, for my birthday, and you made it wonderful. Thank you very much. These are all my gifts I got. For dinner, I had T-bone steak with sauteed mushrooms, mashed potatoes, and green beans with bacon bits. Yummy, yummy. This is my ice cream cake from Dairy Queen. Happy birthday to me. Ah. Thank you for all the birthday wishes, everyone.